Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of behavioral finance. It's where the complexities of human behavior meet the fascinating realm of money. It's not your typical finance talk. We're delving deep into the human psyche and how it impacts our money decisions. Picture this. We all have these hidden biases and cognitive processes that affect how we handle our finances. Behavioral finance helps us shine a light on these tendencies, empowering us to make smarter choices with our money. But here's the kicker. It's not just about recognizing these biases. It's about turning them into our secret weapon. Intrigued? Hit that like button if you're in, and let's get started. So, what exactly is behavioral finance? Well, it's the study of how our emotions, biases, and cognitive quirks influence our financial decisions. Think of it as a deep dive into the psychology behind your wallet. Imagine it as a blend of psychology and economics, where we explore how human behavior influences financial decisions. One of the key aspects of behavioral finance is understanding the various biases that can cloud our judgment when it comes to money. These biases can range from overconfidence and loss aversion to anchoring and confirmation bias. For example, we might overestimate our ability to pick winning stocks or hold on to losing investments for too long due to loss aversion. Moreover, behavioral finance helps us comprehend how emotions impact our financial choices. Whether it's the euphoria of a bull market or the fear of a market downturn, emotions play a significant role in driving our investment decisions. Understanding how emotions can lead to irrational behavior can help us make more rational and informed choices. Another fascinating aspect of behavioral finance is the study of heuristics, which are mental shortcuts or rules of thumb that we use to make decisions. While heuristics can be helpful in simplifying complex decisions, they can also lead to biases and errors in judgment. For instance, we might rely too heavily on recent events or anecdotal evidence when making financial decisions, overlooking critical information in the process. Furthermore, behavioral finance examines the influence of social factors on financial behavior. From peer pressure and social norms to cultural influences, our financial decisions are often shaped by the environment and society in which we live. By understanding these psychological and behavioral factors, behavioral finance offers valuable insights into how we can make better financial decisions. It helps us recognize our cognitive biases, manage our emotions, and develop strategies to overcome common pitfalls in money management. Ultimately, incorporating principles from behavioral finance into our financial planning can lead to more prudent and successful outcomes in achieving our financial goals. But why does it matter? Understanding your own behavioral tendencies in the realm of finance is crucial for making informed and effective decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. It's about delving into the intricacies of human psychology and recognizing how our innate biases and emotions can influence our financial choices. By gaining insight into these behavioral patterns, individuals can develop strategies to mitigate impulsive decisions and avoid falling prey to common pitfalls such as impulse buying or the fear of missing out on investment opportunities. Moreover, navigating these money mind games requires a nuanced approach that takes into account individual differences and personal financial circumstances. It's not just about acknowledging these tendencies, but also about developing resilience and discipline to counteract their negative effects on financial well-being. Ultimately, understanding behavioral finance empowers individuals to take control of their financial destiny by making deliberate and mindful choices that lead to greater financial stability and success in the long run. And with behavioral finance, there's a whole toolkit of strategies to help you stay on track. From setting clear goals to automating your savings, it's all about outsmarting your own brain. Behavioral finance delves deep into the intricate workings of our minds when it comes to financial decision-making. It's a fascinating field that goes beyond the traditional realms of finance by acknowledging and dissecting the biases and cognitive processes that influence our money-related choices. By understanding these biases, behavioral finance empowers individuals to make more informed decisions about their finances. It's not just about recognizing these biases, but also about learning to navigate and leverage them to our advantage. In essence, behavioral finance is a journey into the human psyche, shedding light on the emotional and psychological aspects of money management. It encourages us to embrace our humanity and recognize that our financial decisions are often driven by more than just logic and rationality. By incorporating insights from behavioral finance into our approach to money management, we can develop strategies that align with our unique behavioral tendencies, ultimately leading to more successful financial outcomes. So whether you're prone to impulse buys or struggle with long-term planning, behavioral finance has something for everyone. It's like a roadmap to financial well-being tailored just for you. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope this video sheds some light on the fascinating world of behavioral finance. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into the human side of money. Until next time, stay mindful and keep those wallets happy.